channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can select all contacts in Snapchat. Maybe you want to send that message to most people, like okay, but when you're trying to send a message, let's say you wanna type a message, let's say you want to send a message to this person, you have to select. There is no option of like selecting to people. You have to select them yourselves, all of them, which is so a little bit hectic. So what you need to do is to maybe head over and make a snap. Oh my god. Okay, let's say that is the snap. Is look ugly. Anyway, that's just this video. You make a snap and then you go to this search. Okay, this where it shows send to, and then you go to create shortcut, and then you select them, all of them. Okay, all of the contacts that you want to be sending snaps to, you select them, all of them. Okay, which you want to send your messages or snaps. I don't have a lot of time like to select all my contacts because I have a lot of contacts, but all you need to do is to create a shortcut like that. Pretty simple. Sorry, you go here up and add an emoji. Maybe let's say I'm gonna add a fire emoji, and then you create a shortcut, and it is done. Okay, so whenever you have a snap you wanna send to people, even if I go and quit it like this, abandon snap, and then I delete it, and then I go over again, I record another snap, like that, pretty simple, and then I click send to. I'll just click here, you see the fire icon, it's already there, and then you click it, and then you click select. Okay, you can see that all of the contacts which I just selected are there. Okay, pretty simple, and then you click send in case you want to send it to people. But for this case, this is just a test. I'm not gonna send that to people. Okay, let me get another here. See if I can send this. Okay, I don't have anything in my camera. I have this movie, it's called Death on the Nile. Okay, let's send it to people. I see, you're gonna see that it is going to go. Okay, I see. Okay, send. So you can see how easy messages go and snaps. So you can see that it has been delivered. Let me see. Okay, pretty simple. That is pretty simple. Anyways, drop a like if you found this video informative, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple tutorials like this. I don't know if you like them, but anyways, that's it in today's video, and yep, peace out.